You've heard it 1,000 times before. To become extremely wealthy and to prepare for your retirement, you just need to trade the right stocks at the right time. Following this simple rule has always been easier said than done. Until now. I'm about to reveal how you can trade successfully, not within years or months, but within just weeks. Why? Because we're looking to create 1,000 millionaires this year. Will you be one? You don't need to learn any complex charting techniques. Neither will you need to spend hours in front of your computer. You can be on your way in the next few minutes and be cashing profits within days. It's not calculus or anything to do with complex formulas. It's been made easy because for years I studied and followed the experts. I traded stocks, the Forex, options, and penny stocks without much success. The scammers had a field day with me. I gave them all my money because I desperately wanted to leave my job and call my own shots. And when I got tired of losing money to all the hype, I decided to chart my own way by seriously studying the markets and taking advantage of the trends. Introducing the Slap the Market newsletter, or the STM newsletter. Trade the right stock, futures contract, or Forex pair at the right time. It's time to stop taking unnecessary risks with your money. With the STM newsletter, you can now get way above average market returns with significantly lower average risk by taking only the highest probability trades. Or, in other words, trade only the right stock, future contract, or Forex pair at the right time. This works. Period. This type of trading can fit around your 9-to-5 job. You can do it after you get home from work, at lunchtime, or in the evenings. You can even do it while you're on holiday. You can do it anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection. You can even do it from most smartphones. The STM newsletter is emailed directly to you with all the information you need. All you do is place the trades. We've taken all the manual work of finding the highest probability trades and worked it over years into our own proprietary software. Our software was designed by a team of professional traders and market specialists and has been kept secret and held by our own market analyst for over 10 years. The information our software finds gives the average trader the same advantages that large banks and hedge fund managers have. It's the same as having your own personal research staff on call for you all day, every day. All you have to do is subscribe to the STM newsletter, place the trades with the highest probability of great returns, sell when instructed. Best of all, I'm going to let you prove to yourself the system works without risking one single penny. Yes, starting this evening, you'll be on your way with little work or stress at all. I know it sounds good. Too good to be true. That's why I want you to try it out on paper first before you risk 1 red cent. If you've ever read articles in Pitt News Magazine, Wall Street Journal, Barron's Weekly, Stock and Commodities Magazine, if you've ever subscribed to Investor's Business Daily or Futures Magazine, or any number of market periodicals, professional journals, seen financial television spots, or read popular financial books, then you've probably seen or heard results taken directly from our software. We are just making the results now available to you through the STM newsletter. The STM newsletter identifies trade opportunities through the use of artificial intelligence, brute force mathematics, and cross-market, inter-market relationships that identify profitable, recurring price cycles and patterns that continually take place throughout each market's price and time cycle. Market analysis that used to take days and weeks of time-consuming, difficult mathematical calculations are now being done by our software, providing trading opportunities and analytical information that until now was only available to institutional traders and was simply out of reach to most individual investors. This information can be delivered right now to your inbox thanks to the STM newsletter. Imagine the benefits of having access to information that identifies the right stock, the right futures contract, or the right Forex pair month in and month out, year after year. Listen, don't believe the foolishness that's been drummed into you for years that it's hard to trade successfully. It's not. I swallowed it hook, line, and sinker. I paid thousands of dollars to learn systems and strategies that I later learned you could get for free online, and they didn't work. It wasn't until I threw everything I learned out the window that I started to profit. You don't need any fancy this or that to profit, and I'm going to show you how easy it is. We grind through millions and millions of historical records, revealing trades that were profitable 80%, 90%, and even 100% of the time over the past 10, 20, 30 or more years. Never be on the wrong side of a historically proven financial price and time cycle again. This is all done through proprietary software that took years to perfect. This amazing software runs complex mathematical algorithms which allow our computers to calculate and find, or to literally mine through millions and millions of trades quickly and accurately. What used to take days and weeks, we can now have done in minutes. What this does is provides you the upcoming trading opportunities that have the highest probability for success. I deliberately set this up as a newsletter so anybody could benefit from it and trade this way. I'm not into trickery. I'm not into dazzling you with screenshots of large amounts of cash in my account. I'll leave that to the fake gurus. I'm not a guru. I'm just someone who's been screwed over by them plenty of times. Somebody who wanted to share his discovery with people like you who genuinely need a financial breakthrough. And it's about time that somebody came clean, cut through the BS, and present something real. The market does not care how much money you have in the bank. If you went to Harvard, if you're a finance major or a PhD. The financial markets are a results economy. You do it right and it rewards you. Do it wrong and it punishes you. With the STM newsletter, you now have information used by market technicians to identify the best time of year, month, and even the day to trade a particular stock, futures contract, or foreign currency. Now you can get all this information yourself easily, delivered right to your inbox. STM newsletter provides you the entry date, exit date, profit and loss statistics and exit strategy, detailed history of the trade, the risk versus reward ratio, and even the profit probabilities and income projections. STM newsletter is not tied to, or does it require you to open an account with any particular broker or brokerage firm. You can subscribe to the newsletter and use the information with any account, broker, or brokerage firm of your choosing. One final thing worth noting, we are not stock promoters. I send information about stocks, futures contracts, and Forex pairs that are upcoming trading opportunities and have the highest probability of success. I have no conflict of interest. I have no third party paying us to pick stocks and then promote them. My goal is for you to make money. I want to create 1,000 millionaires every year. I want people who subscribe to the STM newsletter to follow the simple strategies laid out for you on this page and become millionaires. Will this happen overnight? Am I going to promise you ridiculous 4-figure % returns on each trade? Absolutely not. Our goal is simply to produce 3 or 4 profitable trades per month. Our target is 20% or more return per trade and to successfully complete 3 to 4 per month. There is no programming, no software to install or learn, no support issues, headaches, or waiting. Nothing that'll tie up resources on your computer's hard drive. It's as simple as 1, open your email. 2, place your trade. 3, sell your trade. It makes no difference if you have a Windows, Mac, or Linux computer. You just need an email address that you can actually check and open. There's nothing else to buy. There will be no additional upsell or one-time offers. I know this sounds like hype, but you'll soon see you'll prove everything true. In fact, I'm so confident you'll love this newsletter, I'm willing to send you all of your money back if it doesn't do what I say it does. We were only going to sell this newsletter to investors who could afford $495 a month for the privilege of this information. Then we really thought about it. If we want to create 1,000 millionaires each year, we need this to be more affordable. So we were going to split up the 3 groups of trading opportunities we track, stocks, futures contracts, and the Forex, and offer each one as its own standalone newsletter. And we thought $97 a month for each newsletter was more than reasonable for this information and what it can do to transform your life. Once again, we scrapped that. We feel our goal of transforming 1,000 people into millionaires each year will be easier met if we make our service more affordable and leave our members more capital for investing. So we're offering the STM newsletter with all 3 groups in one for only $67 a month. You'll have that price locked for life as long as you stay an active member, even when we raise our price. I'm putting myself out on a limb. I'm taking all the risk away from you. To control your life, you have to accelerate your wealth building. You have to be able to make money, multiply it, and manage it. If you want to become wealthy, sticking your money in a bank account or a CD is not going to do that. Treat investing like a business and do your due diligence, your preparation, all the boring things you have to so you can survive, but treat it like a game. Be enthusiastic about it. Work to slap the market. If you're a professional trader or you've never placed a single trade in your entire life, the STM newsletter is a vital source of information according to top analysts and traders. I'm simply excited I can make a difference in your life with my proven money-making system. I'm living completely on my terms now. I don't work. I don't answer to a boss. I simply enjoy the thrill of making my own money with no one to put a cap on my earnings. Isn't that what you want too? To do what you want when you want? Take me up on my offer today and prove to yourself you can make money with this. The great news is now you can test the STM newsletter risk-free. That's right, with no risk to you for a full 60 days. We guarantee you'll love the newsletter. Actually, we'll bet you'll love it. That's why we're going to give you this information we gather from our software on all 3 packages, stocks, futures contracts, and Forex pairs, with a full 60-day, no questions asked, satisfaction guarantee, or your money back. After being in business for over 17 years, the success and happiness of our customers has been the foundation of our success. It simply isn't worth it to us to have even one unhappy customer. We want you to try the STM newsletter. See if trading with a higher probability of success is for you. If you're not completely satisfied with the newsletter and your accomplishments, then simply request a refund within 60 days. You will be promptly refunded and there will be no further charges. All you have to do is click the order button right now. It'll take an email address you will check and open, and the next STM newsletter will get delivered right to your inbox. It's that simple. There's only one thing left to do now. Order the STM newsletter right now and make money soon. You have our ironclad guarantee. We've made this risk-free for you. If at any point in the 60 days you aren't thrilled with the newsletter, just contact us and we'll refund every penny, no questions asked. Now the question is, will you be one of the 1,000 this year? We believe you can, and we're betting on you. Really, what do you have to lose? You can get the wealth of all this research done and delivered right to your inbox on a regular basis starting right now. Just click the Buy Now button below and get started right away. Order now.